It takes most people over 30 years to realize what you'll get in 5 minutes. Imagine the countless hours spent worrying about money, the sleepless nights, and the stress that comes with financial uncertainty. Ever wonder why managing money feels so hard? You're not alone. The truth is, financial literacy isn't something we're born with. It's a skill that takes time to develop. Millions struggle with the same questions, making the same mistakes year after year. They fall into the same traps, like overspending, not saving enough, or investing without understanding the risks. But what if I told you there's a simpler way? A way that doesn't require a degree in finance or years of experience? What if the secrets to financial freedom weren't secrets at all, but common sense principles anyone can learn? Principles that can be applied to your daily life, making a significant impact on your financial well-being. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the myths and misconceptions keeping you from financial peace. We'll explore the habits and mindsets that lead to financial success. We'll uncover the simple truths about spending, saving, and building a future where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool to achieve your dreams. You'll learn how to create a budget that works for you, how to save effectively, and how to invest wisely. Get ready to change your financial future, starting right now. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to take control of your finances and build the life you've always dreamed of. The real secret to money isn't what you think. It's not about earning a fortune, inheriting a windfall, or winning the lottery. The real secret lies in understanding the fundamentals, how to manage what you have, spend less than you earn, and make your money work for you. Once you grasp these core principles, you unlock the power to build a life of financial security and abundance. Are you ready to unlock that power? Let's dive in. Why does money seem to disappear? Have you ever reached the end of the month, looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not imagining things. The culprit is often hidden in plain sight, our own spending habits. It's easy to lose track of small, everyday expenses that add up over time. The culprit is often hidden in plain sight, our own spending habits. We live in a world of instant gratification, bombarded with messages to buy now, pay later. Those tempting online deals, that daily latte, and those subscriptions we barely use all add up to a slow and silent drain on our finances. The good news? By tracking our spending, creating a budget, and making conscious choices about our purchases, we can take control and redirect that money towards our financial goals. It's not just about cutting back, but about being mindful of where our money goes. For instance, do you really need that premium subscription you rarely use? Or could you make your coffee at home instead of buying it every day? Small changes can make a big difference. By setting clear financial goals, such as saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, we can stay motivated and focused. Remember, every little bit counts. We can take control and redirect that money towards our financial goals. Remember, knowledge is power. The more aware we are of our spending habits, the better equipped we are to make smarter financial decisions. So start today. Take a closer look at your finances and watch how small changes can lead to big rewards. Living paycheck to paycheck is a stressful cycle that keeps millions trapped. It feels like you're constantly treading water, just trying to stay afloat. Every month, the same story repeats itself. The paycheck comes in, the bills go out, and you're left with little to nothing. This cycle can be exhausting and demoralizing, making it hard to see a way out. The answer isn't always earning more, though that can help. It's about making smarter financial decisions with what you already have. Many people think that a higher income will solve their problems, but without proper management, even a larger paycheck can disappear just as quickly. The real key is to break free from the chains of debt and start building a financial safety net. Debt can be a heavy burden, dragging you down and making it difficult to get ahead. By focusing on paying off high-interest debts first, you can free up more of your income for savings and investments. This begins with a simple but powerful concept: saving. Saving money might seem challenging at first, especially when you're used to living paycheck to paycheck, but it's a crucial step towards financial freedom. Even small amounts, consistently saved over time, can add up to significant wealth. It's not about how much you save at once, but about the habit of saving regularly. Over time, these small contributions can grow into a substantial amount. Consider this: saving just $100 a month with a modest return can grow to over $12,000 in 10 years. This might not seem like a lot initially, but it can provide a crucial financial cushion. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you have a cushion for emergencies, unexpected expenses, or even future investments. This financial buffer can reduce stress and give you more control over your life. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial security soar. The journey to financial stability begins with a single step, and every bit you save brings you closer to breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. True financial freedom isn't defined by a specific number in your bank account. It's about having choices. It's about the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and live life on your own terms without constant financial worry. This means having a solid financial foundation built on smart spending habits, a healthy savings rate, and wise investments. It's about planning for the future while enjoying the present. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. By embracing the principles we've discussed, you can take control of your money and achieve the financial peace and security you deserve. Start today and watch your life transform.